Okay guys, this is a 2025 Tesla Model X. Present you from Real Deal Auto. This is the base model, they're long range, 5-passenger. This does have full self-drive paid for, so you don't have to pay the subscription. It is a rebuilt title, had some front, some rear damage. Nothing was too significant. Did get the rebuilt title. Does only have the 2 rows, so 5-passenger. So has heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, air ride suspension. Charging, we will be doing the battery test and uploading it when that's done. So upgrades available, wireless phone charging, seats look brand new. Good set of tires on there. The tailgate and bumper were replaced. This rear, you got YouTube and games you can play, heated seats, control your volume. It does have a suede roof, big windshield. 2025 Tesla Model X, long range, 7,000 miles, full self-drive included. Check out all our other Teslas for sale at realdealauto.com.